In today's video, we'll be discussing about a program in which we have to find the sum of first 10 natural numbers. To find the sum of first 10 numbers, we will store the value of the total sum in a variable called int sum is equal to 0. Now there are numerous ways you can do a program. One of the ways is that by using for loop, for looping statement. Int I is equal to 1. That is, we are using 1 because natural numbers start from 1, and since we have to find the sum of first 10 natural numbers, we are going to give the condition as I less than equal to 10 and update that value. Now inside the for loop, we have to write the logic. Here inside the for loop, we will write sum is equal to sum plus I. So we are using for loop to iterate over the 10 natural numbers. First, the value of sum will be 0 and then 0 plus 1. It becomes 1. Then 1 is stored in sum. Then again, the control will go here, check the condition, and then again it will find the sum. That is, sum previous value is 1. So 1 plus next I value is 2. So it will give us 3. Let us trace the program now. We have declared a variable sum in which we are storing 0 as an initial value, and then we are using for loop to find the sum of first 10 natural numbers. Now this statement also means that sum is equal to sum plus I. This operator is a shorthand operator for is equal to plus. Now let us trace our program. Initially the value of sum is 0. Let us write 0 over here, and then the value of I is 1. So here sum is equal to sum plus I. What is 0 plus 1? It is nothing but 1. New value of sum is 1. So here we will write 1. Next, I value, it will check the condition I less than equal to 10. So the condition is true, it will enter the loop and it will do sum plus equals to I. Next, I value is 2. So 1 plus 2 will give us 3. Sum plus I. 1 plus 2 is 3. New value of sum will be 3. First it was 0, then it became 1, then it became 3. Now sum value is 3. I value is 3. 3 plus 3 will give us 6. Next, new value of sum will be 6. Next, new value of sum is 6. I value is, it will again check the condition. Since the condition is true, that is, I is what? 4. So 4 less than equal to 10, it is true. So here we will get it as 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. So we get the new value now for sum as 10. Now next, the steps keep on repeating until we reach 10. So here the sum value is 10. Again it will check for the condition. Next here it will become 10 and the I value will be incremented. So it will become 5 and then it will go inside the loop. Sum plus equals to I. 10 plus 5. The steps keep on repeating until the condition becomes false. So the steps keep on repeating, and when we reach the value here again 45 plus 10. I value becomes 10, 45 plus 10, 55. Now we got the value for sum, and then again the control will come here. I value will be incremented and it becomes 11. So when it becomes 11, the condition will become false. This condition, as it becomes false, it will come out of the loop and the next statement, which is this, will be executed. If you store this statement, that is if you write this statement inside the for loop, then we will get the values like this. Now if you write it outside the for loop, we will get the final sum, which is nothing but 55. The sum of all the natural numbers, that is starting from 1 to 10. Here we are writing this value int sum equals to 0 outside the for loop because the sum value is 0 outside the for loop. As it will go inside the loop, the sum value keeps on changing. If you write int sum is equal to 0 inside the loop, then the value of sum repeatedly becomes 0 after every iteration, which we do not want. So that is why we write it outside the loop. Now let us implement it in our program. Printing statement outside the loop. Sum you have to print, and when you try to print it, it will give you 55 as the output, which is the sum of first 10 natural numbers. I hope you all have understood. I will be uploading more videos on other programs as well. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.